Morning, this is the 22nd of June. We're looking at the charts. I just put on the computer now. We're looking at Wall Street. Let's have a 1 hour. Now, this zone I had drawn a couple of days back. I had drawn it, I think, around this, when this, yeah, after this crash happened, and then we retested and came here. So maybe the 17th or 18th of June. And since then, we saw some retracement of this 750 point drop, and then it's coming. But at this point, it is in an area of, well, I wouldn't say indecision, but it is coming to this area again. So it could bounce back or it could burst through. It's just a matter of waiting and seeing. So if necessary, we'll just, not if necessary, we'll just draw a zone out here. The zone where it is paused at. And so we don't need to extend too much to the left. Just what is relevant to us is what we can see. So we don't need to really look back too much. So, so, okay, it broke through this, a little bit of tests here, broke down, retested here, broke down, and then it broke through. So this attempt was successful here, and therefore we have to see whether this will bounce or this will go through. The next couple of hours will tell us that. Let's go to US Tech. US Tech, almost similar situation. It's not very clear on the 1 hour what is going to happen, though it looks like a drop. But once again, these small levels here on the 5-minute chart, I'm still holding. I will draw a zone for myself here. Just make it a little smaller. There you go. So this zone is a visual representation to me, saying that at one point it did, uh, it acted as support. Now it's acting as, I'm sorry, it acted as resistance, and now it's acting as support. So it is waiting. Let's go to the 1 hour on the DAX, and the DAX is a little more clearer downtrend, a little more clearer downtrend. As you can see, it's broken through this level that I had drawn, and even this small 5-minute level. And let me get rid of this. So this 5-minute level it broke through, which is not relevant to us now, right? So now I would want DAX to clear this area. I would want DAX to clear that. Just change the color so I know. Red and okay. So if it clears this, I'm thinking of taking a sell. So that's the analysis right now on DAX. I might take a sell on this. I'm waiting for this to a little more clarity, maybe break through this zone, and this as well to break through this zone. So all three I'm waiting to break through, but we trade on the 5-minute chart. So I go to the 5-minute, and so as you see, it did break. It's retesting. So I'm just waiting for that. 5-minute chart on the US Tech, same story. Just waiting for it to break through. Now, when you look at a 5-minute chart, it looks like a solid sell. Why don't you get into it? Because the 1 hour is telling us that it could reverse. So you see, the 1 hour is our anchor chart. It anchors our analysis, and 5-minute is our execution chart. So let's not get in a hurry to trade just because we see this move down. Let's wait for clarity. Let's go to the DAX 5-minute. DAX 5-minute, again, you see this massive moves, and you know that it is a downtrend, but let us wait for confirmation so that we don't want, we limit our drawdown as much as possible. So we wait for confirmation, wait for it to break through this zone, and we take a trade. So that is the morning's analysis, or not really morning, it's mid-afternoon's analysis, and we wait. Obviously, I can't fabricate a trade for the video. I wish I could, but I can't fabricate a trade for the video. So uh, I don't think I'm going to pause the video and wait for a trade and then take it. But I'll try to do a follow-up video today if I take a trade and what the results were. So I hope this analysis and this the way of this breakdown helps you. And yeah, remember, it's not what you trade, it's how you trade. God bless you.